Fire ants creeping in through gaps in foundation vents can seriously mess up your home vibe and safety, so let's get on top of that fast. Okay, so those tiny little fire ants are sneaky and love finding any crack or hole in your foundation vents to sneak inside. First off, check your vents regularly and seal up any gaps with some strong mesh or vent covers designed to keep bugs out. You can grab those at hardware stores, just make sure they fit snug and won't block airflow. Next, keep the area around your foundation clean. No piles of wood, leaves, or debris where ants can set up camp. Spraying a natural ant repellent like a mix of vinegar and water around the vents can help too, but keep it up every few days because ants are persistent. If you spot an anthill close by, don't ignore it. Treat it with a safe ant killer or bait to stop them from sending scouts your way. Also, watch out for moisture near your foundation because damp spots attract ants. Fixing leaks or drainage issues helps a lot. Lastly, if you're not comfortable handling this yourself, call in a pest control pro who knows what they're doing to keep those fire ants out for good. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fire ants entering through foundation vents is ignoring small cracks because they seem harmless, but ants use even tiny gaps to invade. Fix this by sealing every opening with proper vent covers or mesh right away. Another common problem is failing to maintain the area around the foundation, so debris or wood piles give ants a perfect place to build their nests. Regularly cleaning and keeping that space clear stops them from hanging around. The third issue is using harsh chemical sprays that kill visible ants but don't get to the colony underground, so the problem comes back fast. Instead, use targeted bait treatments that ants carry back to their nest for a longer-term fix. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you want to find trusted local contractors who actually know how to handle this kind of pest problem and other home repairs without the hassle. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for reliable pros, making sure everyone gets the job done right.